Hello, hi, and namaste. So today I'm going to talk about the pain and how can you overcome it. So when you go through something, when you go through some obstacles, some situations which are not favorable for you because of the people around you or people who are your family or the colleague or any person at your workplace, if you go through something because of them, then you create a pain inside you and you continuously blame that person or that situation, that circumstances, that because of them your life has become like a mess and your life has become the worst, and you give that authority or you give that power to the person who had created it. But let me tell you and let me answer you this question, that how can this pain be changed, is by first acknowledging it. Acknowledge that you are in pain. Okay, you need not to be positive in that very moment when you are going through a lot of pain. Acknowledge it, then accept it, that yes, because of these are the situation here in my life, and because of that I'm feeling like this. Then the next question you should ask yourself, that is this the same life I want to live in my future also? Like if you have created pain because of anything, is the same pain you want to carry forward in your next life? Now the new year is coming. It's just 3 months away. Already we are at the 10th of the October, and already 90 days challenge I have started with myself by saying that I'm going to affirm very good affirmations for my future year. That is the year coming around. But if you want to inculcate something in your life, like every year, if you want to change yourself, then this is the time to enroll for this webinar, which is called Unleash the Lioness Within. For now, but after new year this is gonna change and this is going to be for masses. Now I'm working for mothers and women, but in the new year I'm going to make it general, and the name will be Awaken the Divine Within, and it will be for all, and it will be charged at the market price. So this is announcement about my workshop. Right now I have completed 6 batches of Unleash the Lioness Within, and I already have the community of affirmations where there are 117 people, and which are going to get the free workshop of 21 days. They are accepting that challenge to put every day, the affirmation they have been writing since a long time. So if you want to be there in this affirmation community, now the 9th October is the last chance to attend this webinar and get the free entry to the affirmation community. These 2 batches, almost like 3 batches I will conduct for free, and then after new year it will be charged according to market price, and it can be like within the range of 2000 to 2500. Okay, so again coming back to the pain point, so if you want to change your pattern that you had been created from the past experiences, and if you don't want to be in that pain situation in your future also, because unless and otherwise you heal from that situation, you will repeat the patterns, you will continuously repeat the patterns. And if you feel, why should you believe me? Because if you see my YouTube channel, or if you are in my personal context, and if you see and observe my post status, then you will know that how my journey was. Like same situation you may have been gone through, and I had also gone through. They may be less severe or more severe, but we are all in the same boat. Just what changes is your attitude towards it, because attitude is everything. And you can get that easily, and faster results can be gained through the community support, which is you are getting it right now. And every day I'm going to come live for 30 to 45 minutes for the affirmation community, and they're going to be like 10 minutes of knowledge session, then 10 minutes of activity. I will make you do it right now in that moment, in that workshop for 10 minutes, and after that 10 minutes will be healing. Whatever your past incidences would have been, or whatever it would have been, severe or less severe, but they are going to get healed, and with that we are going to get the affirmations about it. So it is a cherry on the cake. So I'm waiting there, and I'm very, very excited for you being there with us, and because your contribution matters a lot to us, because more we are, more we share, more we enlarge our community, then more strength we will get. Okay, so come join me in this workshop, like a webinar for the 9th October, and every other workshop and webinar dates, they are mostly on the Sundays at 4 to 6 p.m. and in that you will see how the perspective can be changed within just 2 hours, and whole life we are with you, we are gonna be with you, and you will get the friends for lifetime. I assure you that. So see you.